Which brand is better for purchasing diesel generator set? At present, there are many diesel generator manufacturers, which brings more choices to consumers and also brings corresponding troubles to customers. Which one is better? In fact, Dingbo Power is a good choice. Dingbo Power has 16 years of experience in generator manufacturing, supply and service in the diesel generator industry, and has gathered dozens of industry senior experts and national-level technical talents. In addition, Dingbo Power strictly controls the quality from top to bottom, and all products are subject to strict quality inspection to ensure that all products are qualified and of high quality, and the quality of all generator sets complies with relevant national standards. Cummins, Perkins, Volvo, Yashai, Shaanxi, Weikai and other diesel generator sets with special power needs, such as 30 kW to 3000 kW ordinary, automatic, fall protection, automatic switching, free remote monitoring, low noise and mobile, automatic grid connection systems, can be customized according to customer needs.